little too big for the single track, right? So there's tons of double track up here. Where does that go? Okay, you know what? We'll get up there and then I get a feeling it pops out on a road or something. Alright, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Back on the dirt bike, man. You're riding with Dirtbike guy. I just got a new back tire finally, and just feels weird. You know what it is? It's all this loose shit here. So it's May 1st. It's the actual opener for off-roading in Canada, well, Ontario particularly, and I thought I'd come up to a little town called Loudon. Anyways, I had made a video here before. It was Dirtbike Paradise is what it was called. I gotta shut my mask. It's fucking cold. Holy shit. Yeah, anyway, and I thought, well, why the hell not? Let's go back up here because, like, me personally, I don't know, this bike is like a little too big for the single track, right? So there's tons of double track up here, and plus I haven't been on a dirt bike and I couldn't even tell you how long. Alright, let's go straight. Adjust my mask a little bit, it's fogging up. That's how freaking cold it is today. I had a sweater on with my Fox Racing, oh, the fuck is this shit? Well, we're in it now, right? With my Fox Racing, like, little jacket here, so. Alright. Let's keep going this way. Yeah, a buddy of mine did some work on this thing, and the clutch feels like way different now. Engagement point is set a little different. Back tire feels great though. Now that I'm actually riding the damn thing. Okay, so that's a track that goes in the forest there, remember that. Okay. Yeah, let's check that out. Fucking sandy as hell, man. Wow. So anyway, this is gonna kind of be like, what are we doing here? What's this? Huh. It's like there's more trails open now. Or maybe I just forgot. Anyway, I'm doing kind of a dual view for this little series of videos. So obviously I'm not going to do this whole day on one video. Oop, neutral. God, it's been a long time. You know, it's so funny. You go on your motorcycle, right? And you jump on and it's like fucking, you know, nothing. This, I swear to God, I don't remember this track. Wow, this is fucking long. No, I most definitely don't remember this track. It's got to be new. Either way, it's really nice. It's so funny. It feels like I'm riding in fall. All the leaves are still on the ground and shit. Oh man, it's so nice to get back out though. It's fucking sweet. Where does that go? Okay, you know what? We'll get up there and then I got a feeling it pops out on a road or something. Oh shit. Wow. It's literally a loop. Ooh, that's a big route. Yeah. I saw this. I saw this when I parked a little bit up that way. Okay. So, I don't know. I honestly, last time I was here, I didn't even come this way. Okay, should we try this way? Let's see what's good. And my freaking lens is completely fogged up. You're not getting out of second gear here. I mean, maybe for someone that's a lot better than me, but the problem is the leaves are on the ground and, well, I don't know what the fuck's under them. Like root. See, another root. Oh, loose twig. Where are we going? Where are we going? Came from? I think so. Well, that was kind of fun. You getting this loose stuff and it like you like skate around, eh? Let's go this way. What the fuck is that about? I think I was in second there. Sorry about that, guys. You're gonna be hearing. Oh. Okay. Okay. Wow. You know what? I honestly have not been riding enough this year to start fucking attempting that shit. As fun as it looks, gotta come out a few more times before I do that. I hate to say it, but I'm kind of just asking for it at that point, you know? But let's see what other little side trails there are. Like this guy right here. Where does this go? Oh, good. Nice sand. Oh, this guy cool. This looks new. I'm telling you. Shut the visor. Oh, yikes. I want to hit that. Oh yeah, okay. So, young trees. Yeah, alright. Doesn't say anything. It's the same fucking one as last time, for fuck's sake. Let's go up this way. His third, all right. Oh fuck, somebody's sending around that corner. Jesus. Oh, little whoopies. Fucking whoops in third. Tone that down a bit. Fucking end up in the top of that tree there. That's exactly what would happen. Oh, this is so cool. Sandy as fuck, but I gotta say, that fucking new tire, man, it helps so much. Remember, last year when I was here, I was complaining about my tire. Oh, that's fun. That was a lot of fun. Wow. Lots and lots of fun. Find that neutral. Yep, there she is. Okay. Anyway, guys, like I said, I'm going to split this video up probably into a few different ones. I feel like that was a good little run. Anyways, I will see you on the next. If you like the video, like it, and hopefully you'll subscribe. If not, that's cool too. I hope you just enjoyed the view or video. Anyway, this is Dirtbike guy signing off. We'll see you on the next one.